Some places are made for staying. Others are made for experiencing. A place where every arrival feels welcoming. In the middle of a city that never truly slows down, there is always a space to pause. From the warmth of the lobby to the comfort found in every corner. A space where every arrival feels welcoming and every detail is thoughtfully crafted. Simplicity becomes elegance. Natural light, refined spaces, and an atmosphere designed to make every moment feel effortless. Where the atmosphere feels lighter and time moves differently. Whether you are here for business, relaxation, or a moment away from the rhythm of the city, every experience is made to feel seamless. More than just a destination, it is where comfort meets experience. Welcome to Grandhika Pemuda Semarang.